Good morning, everyone. This is our last week of the semester. So just include some things from last week just about grades. Senior grades are done. Those were stored last week on Wednesday. Everything is optional going forward. And just a reminder of how the GPA for this semester, and then if you're wanting the pass-fail, you need to let Don Fitzgerald know that ASAP. So what we're going to be working on this week is another profit episode and then an accounting review. So the profit episode is going to look a lot like the last one. And then our accounting review, I just want to make sure that you have those debits and credits with you as we move on. If you're going on to take accounting later, just kind of the basics, 2 different tabs there. Just a good review of the things that we've learned this year. So that is what we're working on for this last week. I want to congratulate all of you for making it to this point. I know this online stuff is not easy, but you're really going to benefit from this in the long run, especially if you plan to go to college, any type of college, 2-year, 4-year. You're probably going to have to take an online class, and you've learned some really valuable skills that will help you in those classes. So congratulations to everybody. Have a great summer, and we'll see everybody, all the underclassmen, next fall. Have a great summer.